Today we are announcing the launching of the Samoa Agricultural and Fisheries Productivity and Marketing Project to be held in Hawaii on Thursday the 5th by the Honourable Prime Minister. And the ministries involved, Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Ministry of Finance, as well as our representatives from the World Bank and the IFAD, the International Finance for Agricultural Development, to officially launch the project on Thursday. But today we're just announcing that this will happen, and therefrom the project will start officially. The total project cost is 23 million US dollars, equivalent of about 57 million Samoan tala, and the World Bank contributes 19 million US dollars, and IFAD 3.6 million US dollars. IFAD and Samoa was a member of the IFAD organization in the 70s, but we have reconnected with the IFAD organization about 2 years ago, and hence that they have come in with 3.6 million US dollars, and our appreciation and thanks to the government of Samoa, because they also have a huge contribution to this project, but the financial contribution comes from the World Bank and IFAD, and I'd like, on behalf of the government of Samoa at this time, just to thank these organizations for their continued assistance to Samoa through the Agricultural and Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries.